Join Arts and Craft Essential for the 12 days of Craftsmas. Up until Christmas, we'll be releasing 12 crafts, either holiday themed or perfect for holiday gifts. So don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on the holiday fun. To begin, I painted the whole birdhouse in a white base coat. Next, I painted the roof red. Making sure to get the edges too. Then I painted the rest of the house green. I painted the chimney brown. Next, I painted a green glitter top coat over the green part of the birdhouse. I got out some cotton fake snow and cut a strip to go on the roof. I glued it on with hot glue and cut off the excess. Then I put on some silver glitter glue. I gave the whole thing a coat of Mod Podge to seal all the paint in. I then glued 3 red wooden beads and a small piece of an artificial plant together to make mistletoe. Lastly, I glued it onto the peak of the roof. Here's the completed birdhouse. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe.